into your eyes, but I don't see the light. When did you change? Was it day or night? I didn't see the signs, I didn't hear the call. What happened to us? Where did it all fall? Was it something I missed? A whisper in the wind? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you begin to show me the way, to open my eyes? Now I'm lost in the dark, can't find the skies. When did you change? Since when did you not care? Why didn't you show me? Why wasn't I aware? Tell me what happened, what made you turn away? Why don't you love me like you did yesterday? We used to laugh, we used to dream all night. Now it's just silence, no end in sight. Your touch feels so cold, your words so far. Who have you become? Where is my star? Was it something I did, or something I said? Why didn't you tell me? Why leave me misled? To wander alone in shadows and doubt. Please tell me the truth, let's work this out. When did you change? Since when did you